Today we're making checkerboard buns, light fluffy rolls topped with sesame and poppy seeds. Let's get started. Start with 250 grams of flour, 7 grams of yeast, 4 grams of salt, 4 grams of sugar, 5 grams of butter. Now pour in 150 milliliters of lukewarm milk, adding it in thirds while mixing. Keep mixing until rough, sticky dough forms. Lightly flour your workspace. Use a dough scraper to knead. Scoop, lift and slam the dough down. Repeat this motion for about 8 minutes. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover and let it rise for an hour or until double in size. Once risen, flour your surface again and divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. Shape each one into a smooth ball. Now time to coat them. For a bug-friendly method, place a damp kitchen cloth in a tray of shallow water. Gently press each dough ball into the cloth, then dip it into sesame seeds. For small batches, just moisten the top with fingers and dip. Arrange the bun close together on a baking tray, alternating sesame colors to create that checkerboard pattern. Cover and let them rise again for about 45 minutes. While they proof, preheat your oven to 220 Celsius. Pour in a cup of water in an empty tray and place the tray on the lowest rack. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy!